Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on fitness gear with Nike, detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on fitness gear with Nike, start by visiting the official Nike website. Look for the sales section, which features discounts on various products. Sign up for the Nike newsletter to receive updates on sales and exclusive promotions. Consider joining Nike Plus, which often provides special discounts and rewards for members. Regularly check the Nike outlet stores, either online or in person, for clearance items. Utilize coupon websites that offer discount codes for Nike purchases. Follow Nike on social media platforms to stay informed about flash sales or promotions. Explore seasonal sales events, such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals. Sign up for loyalty programs that partner with Nike for additional discounts on gear. Check for student discounts, as Nike often offers special pricing for students. Look into refurbished gear from Nike's outlet, as these items can be significantly cheaper. Consider purchasing off-season items, which tend to be marked down when new releases arrive. Take advantage of free shipping offers, which can help you save on total expenses. Research and compare prices across different retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Keep an eye out for loyalty points you can apply to your purchases for added savings. Be patient and wait for the right moment to buy, as prices may drop during specific times of the year. By following these steps, you can effectively save on Nike fitness gear while enjoying quality products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.